what did the volume do on the update? Oh my God, it was bad. Just a terror. It's not the answer to the bull's dreams, to the perma bull. Again, I'm neutral on the S&P quantitatively speaking. Some people are, I can't understand this. You are not telling me you are bullish on NASDAQ, neutral on S&P, and bearish on Russell, because I can't understand that. Right? Doesn't it drive you nuts sometimes? You know, the Russell and the S&P and the NASDAQ are different. I hope you know they're different, right? So it's like going into the wilderness and saying that you're just bearish on all animals. You're just not going to eat anything, right? Nothing. There should be no discerning fact. You just like going into the wilderness and not eating anything. Or conversely, you like everything. You'll eat anything. This is how people talk about, I am bullish of equities. Well, that is great, but if you go hunting in the bush with me, you're going to starve, okay? So at the end of the day, we want to delineate the difference between, let's just take that for a second. Let's take that back, because I know some of you need to know. Why is it that the NASDAQ is bullish trend on a signaling basis? Again, it's not the number 1, 2, or 3 pick in quad 3. It's just not the 1, 2, or 3 pick on the short side when we were in quad 4. There's a difference. So you got that. I know power users of the process get it, but some of our new subscribers don't quite get that. Growth, which we've shown, slide 54 in the current macro deck, growth, organic growth, is a long in quad 3. What is the NASDAQ? It's organic growth. I'm not saying it's the number 1. It's actually, guess what is number 1? The thing that's making all-time highs every goddamn day. Yeah, utilities is the number 1, not tech. But tech goes from a top 3 short to not a short to a net long, because the growth that you can find in a decelerating growth environment is there for you to buy. So again, that's the back test, okay? Then you go to the S&P and go neutral. What is up with that neutral thing? Well, guess what? The S&P has a lot of sectors that go up in quad 3. And subsectors too, not the least of which all of them that I mention every single day. And again, that's an important point. So it would be sensible for it to be neutral instead of bearish for now. It doesn't mean that it can't go back to bearish. Again, that's just the signal. But again, and then you have the Russell, which is all the baggage, the financials, all that stuff. The financials, by the way, are top 3 short in quad 3. And the Russell has a lot of financials. So guess what? And the Russell has a lot of leveraged small caps, which you also don't want to be long in quad 3. So again, now that we're happy hunting and we can discern that many of you might like to eat rabbits and others might like to eat deers, and some of you may not like to eat anything. Again, we're going to give you varietals, again, options, the menu, the things to do, as opposed to, God forbid, waking up every day like you have for years, watching CNBC, saying, what's the Dow doing, bro? That don't work, all right? Or at least it certainly won't work for your competitors, and that's who we're out there beating every day, and that's what I have to say about that.